Hey everyone, welcome back to Seeking Techno. Are you also sick of unexpected data usage and slower download speeds and your system performance, especially if you have a limited data plan or a slow internet connection? Don't worry guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn it off easily. This will surely going to help you save a lot of bandwidth and improve your system's performance. So, without wasting the time, let's get started. Follow the steps carefully shown in the video to disable delivery optimization in Windows 11. Step 1. Open the registry editor. To get into the registry editor, first open the search menu by clicking on the search icon or pressing the Windows key. Now type regedit in the search bar. Click on Registry Editor and select Run as Administrator. Step 2. Now you have to navigate to DOSVC folder. Now in the Registry Editor, double-click on the HK Local Machine folder. Next, click on the System folder, then look for a folder named Current Control Set. Open it, and finally double-click on the Services folder. Please hit the like button if you are enjoying the video. Your one like can boost our confidence. Okay, well now let's move to Step 3, Find and Edit DOSVC. Now scroll down and find the folder named DOSVC. Once you found it, then click on it. Now on the right side, you should see an entry called Start. Double-click on Start. Once it is opened, then set the value data to 4 and click OK. Step 4, restart your computer. After following the above steps, it's time to restart your computer to apply the changes. Let's get back again. Now follow the final step, which is Disable Delivery Optimization Service. Once your computer restarts, open the Start menu again and type Services. Then double-click on Services to open it. Now scroll down and locate the Delivery Optimization Service and double-click on it to open. Now look carefully. In the Startup Type drop-down, select Disabled. If it is manual, then change it to Disable, and after that simply click Apply and then OK. And boom, that's it. You've successfully disabled Delivery Optimization in Windows 11. I'm sure, guys, it will definitely help to reduce unnecessary bandwidth usage on your system and improve performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.